Hello everyone, welcome back to TixCham's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix apps not opening on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure iPhone is connected to the internet. Check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the correct network. Next, try refreshing your network connection. Open the control center, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This can help fix temporary connection issues. And the next step is, if a specific app is not opening, try updating it. Open the App Store and search for a specific app that is not working. Search the app and see if there is any update available. And if there is, just update it. It can fix a lot of issues and bugs. After that, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Simply go to your setting. After that, tap on General. Here, tap on Software Update and install any available updates. And if only one app is affected, there may be a problem with that app's servers. In that case, you can check online to see if the services is currently experiencing an outage. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix app that won't open on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TixChamp for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.